Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Subaru WRX. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You do have all-wheel drive in the Subaru. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impreza on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.